Very good morning, my dear lovely children. Welcome to today's EVS class. How are you all today? I hope all are fit and fine and safe at home. Right, children? Very good, children. Now, today's class, you are going to learn new lesson. Okay? New lesson from EVS subject. So, this is your EVS book. So, let's get started, dear children. Dear children, this is your new lesson. Lesson number 8. Name of the lesson is People Who Help Us. People, spell it, dear children. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Okay. People. W-H-O. Who. H-E-L-P. Help. U-S. Us. Okay. So, people who help us. So, this is the name of the lesson. People who help us. Okay. So, we can't, okay, we cannot do everything, every work, okay, by our own, dear children. Okay. We need help of other people. Okay. So, those people, okay, who help us know, they are very, very important. They play a very important role in our life, dear children. So those people are very important people in our life, dear children. Okay. So some kinds of works, some different works are there, no, like teacher, doctor. Okay. In some of the way we are depending on them. Okay. If we are not well, means we can't take any medicines without doctors. Okay. Without doctor support. Okay. And we are going to school to study, and teachers helps us to study well. Right, children? So that we need support of other people. These kind of people are very, very important in our life, dear children. So, in this lesson, you are going to learn some of the people, okay, who help us in our daily life. For example, doctors, teachers, okay, carpenters, okay. Here, see, look at these pictures. Gardener, doctor, postman, carpenter, plumber, hairdresser, sweeper, watchman, tailor. Okay, these all are some of the important persons, okay, who help us in our daily life, dear children. Okay, now let's read the lesson. Warm up before going to start this lesson. Okay, one small warm up, dear children. Put a tick in front of the activities for which you need help from others. Okay, if you need help from others means you tick. Okay, put a tick in front of the activities. Here you can see brushing your teeth. You need any support from others? No. Do you need any support from others? No, dear children. Brushing your teeth, you can do yourself. Okay. So, no need to put tick mark on that. Next, getting ready for school. Yes. You need your parents' support, right? So, put tick mark here. Okay, children. So, next one. Now, let us read, okay, the definition of important people. Here, see. We, dear children, put finger where I am reading it. People who help us. We cannot do everything on our own. So, we cannot do all the work by our own. We are depending on some of the people. Okay. So, we cannot do everything on our own. Different people help us do different things. Okay, different people are there and they are doing different jobs also. We should thank people who help us. We should respect them. We should thank them. Okay, ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಹುಷಾರಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, okay, without postman, without carpenter, okay, without these type of different people support, okay, we cannot live. Okay children, so make a list, activity corner, make a list of the names of the people who help you in your daily activities. Make it one list, dear children. For example, name of the peoples means just write down the names of who are helping in our daily lives, no? So write or make a list of them. For example, carpenter, plumber, tailor, hairdresser, then sweeper, watchman, doctor, teacher, postman, policeman. Okay, so these names you have to write on one sheet, okay, rule sheet, and make it a list. Now let's learn, okay, about gardener. Who is gardener? A gardener takes care of the plants in the garden. You can see he is taking care of the garden, okay, and the garden gives a beautiful atmosphere for you, okay children. So he takes care of the plants in the garden, okay children. So name the spelling here, spell it dear children. G-A-R, gar, D-E-N-E-R, gardener, gardener. Next one here you can see, a doctor treats us when we are sick or injured. Here see, who is she? Who is she? She is a doctor. Look at her. She has stethoscope. Okay, stethoscope. So she is a doctor. Okay, so a doctor treats us when we are sick. Sick means if you are not well, if you are sick, if you are feeling unhealthy, okay, feeling means a fever, okay, means injured, okay, any accident happened, means who will treat you? Doctors treat you, okay. So doctors treats us when we are sick or injured. Next one, postman. Look at this picture. Who is this person? Postman. Spell it dear children. P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man. Postman. So postman is a person who brings us letters. Brings us letters. So postman is a person, important person who brings us letters for us. Okay. Next page dear children. Carpenter. Look at this picture. Okay. A carpenter. Carpenter spelling what? C-A-R, car, P-E-N, pen, T-E-R, ter. Very simple spelling, no? Very simple. Car spelling, pen spelling ide, T-E-R, ter. Carpenter. Carpenter. Makes or mends wooden furniture and objects. So person, carpenter is a person okay, who makes wooden furniture. Wooden furniture means like beds, sofas, okay, and chairs, tables, okay. So carpenter makes wooden furniture for us. Okay, children. So here see furniture spelling F-U-R for N-U-T-U-R-E. Furniture, furniture. Wooden, W-O-O-D, wood, E-N, wooden. Okay, wooden. Noಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ picture na? Here see, ನೋಡಿ. Okay, so he is called carpenter. Next picture. Who is this? Who is he? Plumber. Pipe work ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ plumber ಅಂತೀವಿ. So here see a plumber. Plumber spelling see P-L-U-M. Plum B-E-R. Plumber. Plumber. Plumber fixes or repairs water pipes and taps. A plumber fixes or repairs water pipes and taps. So he is called plumber. Plumber. Okay. Next picture here you can see a hairdresser. Here see. Who is he? Hairdresser. Okay. Who works in a saloon. Okay. Saloon shop. Here see. A hairdresser cuts and styles our hair. Here see. Hairdresser. H-A-I-R. Hair. D-R-E-S is dress. E-R. Hairdresser. Okay. Next. Sweeper. Next picture. Sweeper. Who is this? Sweeper. Sweeper spell it S-W-E-E-P. Sweep. E-R. Sweeper. A sweeper keeps our neighborhood clean. Once again, repeat it after with me, dear children. A sweeper keeps our neighborhood clean. Okay, so he is the sweeper. Next picture. Watchman. Who is he? Watchman. Okay. A watchman. Watchman spelling, dear children, tell me. W-A-T-C-H. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. 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 M-A-N. Man. Watch. Watch. M-A-N. Man. Watchman. A watchman guards houses, offices and other buildings. Watchman guards means take cares houses, offices and other buildings. Next person is tailor. Okay, tailor who stitches clothes for us. Okay, who stitches beautiful clothes for us. Okay, so beautiful shirt ಬೇಕು, beautiful skirt ಬೇಕು, beautiful chudidar ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ who will make it for us? Tailor. Okay, tailor stitches beautiful clothes for us. Okay, so Labor Day is celebrated on 1st May every year. Dear children, Labor Day. Okay, it is celebrated. It is very important day, dear children. Labor Day is very important day in our life, and this day is celebrated to honor the contribution of working people across the country. To honor the laborers, okay, working people across the country. Okay, so that we are celebrating Labor Day on 1st May of every year, dear children. Now quick connect. This is match the following. Very easy ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Guards the neighborhood. Who take care of our neighborhood? Here see, teacher, gardener, watchman. Who is the which one is the right answer? Who guards our neighborhood? Yes, dear children, watchman. Helps us learn many new things. Yes, teacher. Takes care of a garden. Very good, children, gardener. Now, dear children, page number 42. Keyword, doctor. Who is doctor? A doctor treats us when we are sick or injured. A doctor is a person who treats us when we are not well or sick or injured. Okay. So, one small recall of this lesson, dear children. People who help us. Some of the people names are given here. Okay. These all are very important. Okay. They play an important role in our daily lives, dear children. People who help us. One is doctor. First one is, okay, very respectful job. Okay. So, people who help us. First one is doctor. Second one, watchman, teacher, sweeper, tailor, plumber, hairdresser, carpenter, gardener, postman. So these all are some of the important people, and also as well as this policeman also, and so on. Okay. So these all are very, very important people in our daily life. Now let's read the textbook exercises. Let us practice the textbook exercises. First main, choose the correct options. To choose the correct options, here see, four options are given here. You just choose the correct one. Who fixes wooden furniture? Now tell me, who fixes or makes wooden furniture? ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೂ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ವುಡನ್ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್? ಯಾರು? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ is the right answer. So where it is, find out, dear children. God is there, then carpenter, teacher, tailor. So this one is correct. Okay na? So put tick mark. Who treats us when we get injured? Who treats us when we get injured? We are not well means who will treat us? Yes, doctor, dear children. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Next one. What does a tailor do? What does a tailor do? Brings milk? No. Stitches clothes? Yes. Delivers letters? No. Mends furniture? No. So which one is correct, dear children? Stitches clothes. Next one. Write true or false, dear children. Write true or false. T for true. Okay. T otherwise F baribeku. A postman brings letters. Postman brings letter. Yes, dear children. Postman brings letters. So write T here. A hairdresser guards our neighborhood. Is this right, dear children? No. Hairdressers, okay, cuts the hair. Not, okay, they guard our neighborhood. Hairdresser cut the hair. Next one, a watchman guards buildings. Yes, true. Answer the following questions. Who stitches clothes for us, dear children? Tell me. Who stitches clothes for us? Simple thing. You all know that. Answer. Tailor. Cloth stitch ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ tailor ಅಂತೀವಿ. Next question. What does a sweeper do? Tell me, dear children. What does this sweeper do? Cleans a place. Cleans our surroundings. Okay. Cleans our neighborhood. Anything you can write here. Simply. Yes. cleans a place. What does a carpenter do? Carpenter makes wooden furniture. Ashte saku. Wooden furniture. Easy answers irutte. Neevu practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next, match the situation in left column. This side you can see, and with the people you will need to write column. So ಅವರಿಗೆ match ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clothes match to tailor. Then sick people. Okay, so match to doctor. Okay, so over. So this much is enough for enough children for today's class. And you have to respect the people who help us in our daily life, dear children, and say thank you always. Remember, okay, always remember to say thank you when someone helps you. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. and at the same time what you should do, you should say thank you. okay, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಶೋ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನೀವು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಮ್. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಶೋ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ to someone who helps you every day. So dear children, one small activity for you. Make a card. Okay, make a thank you card. Okay, here see, thank you card. Enadondu small greeting card tara ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ WhatsApp ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, if you have interested means. Okay, so see you again in the next class, dear children. So today's class, okay, I have completed this one lesson, and as well as this textbook exercises also. To today's class, this much is enough. I'll send the photocopy of notes. Okay, and see you again in the next class, dear children. Till then, bye. Any doubt is there means just call to me in the evening time. Okay, we will discuss about this topic. Okay, so thank you, dear children. Have a wonderful day. Stay happy forever. Thank you so much.